Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to copy your YouTube channel link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your YouTube apps, tap on this. Next, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on this. Tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on share. You can see that three options: copy link, quick share and QR code. Tap on copy link. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to the inbox of the personal you gave the YouTube link to. Tap on this and next tap on paste. Tap on you can see that your YouTube channel link inboxing successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.